What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mark C, man. Back with some more photography stuff for you. Anyway, I just got a new Wacom tablet. This is the Bluetooth model. I don't know if it'll focus. Anyway, this is the Wacom Intuos, the small one. I previously had the small one that wasn't Bluetooth and only able to be connected using this USB cable. They were smart enough though to make this notch here kind of angled. So when you plug it up, it's not like sticking out the back, but it does use the old USB. Uses the old USB, I forget, type A or whatever type it is. It does use the old USB. So anyway, as y'all know, it's 2022, about to be 2023 in like a week. And most devices use USB Type-C now. Right before I bought this, the wireless one, the Bluetooth model, they look exactly the same, by the way. I'm gonna unbox this in a second, but they look exactly the same. And except for this one has a home button in the center. Not a home button, I'm sorry, a Bluetooth button in the center. I did though, in case I needed to go back to that, the hardwired one, I did buy, and it took a minute to find on Amazon too, man, but I like these companies that make these special cords and stuff, special cables and connectors. But anyway, this one on one end has a micro USB, which is the port that's on the old Wacom tablet that I previously have on one end, and then the USB Type-C on the other, not the old Type A. And this cord I bought actually is pretty good. By this company, I don't know how to say it, AGV or AGV. Let me see if I can show you the box. Check them out on Amazon. But anyway, let's unbox this and see what's going on. Nice packaging. The same connection, USB Type-C. Nope. It's the same tablet. Charging cable, 4K pin. So happy that I got the Bluetooth Wacom Intuos Small. It's portable, lightweight, fits in my bag with my tablet and my laptop. take it anywhere now that it's wireless, that's one less port that I got to worry about. One less port that I got to plug up and actually get the job done. And it's exactly the same. This is the old one, this is the new one. It's exactly the same, except for one has a home button. I keep saying home button. One has a Bluetooth button. You can tell I missed the home button on the old Apple iPhones. And the other one doesn't. That's the same. They're the same. 4 hotkeys, same surface, same USB, micro USB connector. For this one, of course, it'll be to charge it, but I read that you could use it hardwired, you know, connected or wireless. Until next time, peace.